Oh, and then the Raw song hits.
I still can't make it out from what he's doing.
The Raw song.
Which Raw song? Oh, it was
Thor.
It was that one.
Yeah.
Wow. Up in 2001.
Yeah,
From
but then
like
it had the track afterwards, the intro track, which was yeah. Was that the Raw theme a few years previous?
Very good. It was, yeah.
Which is much better.
They used both of them in tandem, kind of thing. I think one of them was like Rah, and the other one is the War Zone. Anyway, the Raw song is awesome, isn't it? As we go forward, they're all shitter and shitter.
Get my bills, machine in the
And the chicken dance one. Again.
What are they wrong? So what's the...
Gonna give it.
Are there any more Raw songs after that?
There's probably one now.
Oh, it's like $10 a night. Here. $10 a night.